For today's lesson, we'll be discussing about the subtraction of decimal numbers through 10,000ths. So in order for us to better understand the steps, let us have this problem. The current foreign exchange rate shows 1 euro is equal to 63.52 pesos, while 1 US dollars is equal to 52.05 pesos. By how much does the euro conversion to peso exceed to US dollar conversion to peso? So to find the difference between the peso rates, we subtract the decimals. So here are the steps that we need to follow. Step 1, we have to align the decimal points. Add zeros to the right of the last digit if it is necessary. So as you can see here, we have two decimal numbers, so we have to align the decimal point and the digits vertically. Step 2, start subtracting from the right, which in this case is our hundredths place. 2 minus 5 is not possible, so we have to regroup. So 5 will become 4, and then 2 will become 12. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Step 3, continue the process from right going to the left and then regroup if necessary. 4 minus 0 is 4, 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 5 is 1. And then lastly, the decimal point of the answer should be aligned with the decimal points in the minuend and in the subtrahend. So we now have the final answer as the difference between the peso rates is 11 pesos and 47 centavos. Let's have another example. 49.5 minus 17.896. Again, step 1 is we need to align the decimal points vertically. As you can see here, they are now aligned together. Step 2. Notice that in the previous given, there are empty spaces. So we must fill in those empty spaces or missing places by zeros. So in this case, we have 2 zeros here that we added. Step 3, proceed to the subtraction similar to whole numbers and then regroup if necessary. As you can see, 0 minus 6 is not possible, so we need to regroup, which is the digit 5 will become 4, and then 0 here will become 9, 0 here will become 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0, 4 minus 8 is not possible, so we need to regroup. 9 will become 8, 4 a while ago will become 14, so 14 minus 8, that is 6. 8 minus 7 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. So the final answer is 31.604. Let us now complete the number sentence. 497.07 minus 243.88. Again, as mentioned in the previous example, we need to align the decimal point. So 497.07 minus 243.88. Let's now proceed to subtraction from right going to the left. 7 minus 8 is not possible, so we need to regroup the number 7. 7 here will become 6, 0 here will become 9, and then 7 here will become 17. 17 minus 8 is 9, 9 minus 8 is 1, 6 minus 3 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2. And then copy or bring down our decimal point. So the answer is 253.19. Next, let us solve for the value of n in 1300 plus n equals 1459.956. Notice that the given is an addition number sentence, which is this one. However, solving for the value of n will require subtraction. And what are we going to subtract? We subtract the sum, which is 1459.956 by our addend, which is 1300. So we need to put a decimal point here and 3 zeros. So 6 minus 0 is 6, 5 minus 0 is 5, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 0 is 9, 5 minus 0 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Then copy the decimal point. So the answer now is 159.956.